Hi, welcome back. I've been gone for about a week and I missed my garden. I was in California. So I've got my cute nieces here today with me and we are going to open up some winter sowing containers. It's kind of bright over there. Beautiful 80-degree weather. So let's open these up and see what we have. Hi, Allie.
Hi.
Hi, you want to help me open these? So what we do is we turn around and we're going to just unclick this. I might have to unclick it. There we go. Let's see what's in these ones. This is nasturtium. I winter sowed these. There's one that didn't come up. A couple might not have come up, but they might come up later. Aren't they pretty? This one looks like a sunflower in the mix. Okay, let's open this one. So this one, let's read the top. Oh, delicata squash. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, there we go. You want to cut that last one? Thank you. This is my cute niece. I don't see them enough. Delicata squash. Look how cool. Oh, how fun. Should we go find some more to open? Yeah? All right, thanks. I thought I only saw the marigolds, but there's marigolds and then there's a couple coneflowers. So I'm just going to plant it in the ground today. Even these are kind of tiny, they'll grow up, and because their roots are going to be so well established, they'll be just fine. And I might even have others pop up around here. Kira came to join the fun. Oh, what's this one? Look how pretty. So these ones are mixed salvia. So even though they're small like this, I would still plant the whole clump. If I get time today, I will put it in the ground. If not, I'll just kind of leave it open and get to it tomorrow. Okay, try this one. Scissors, good job. Oh, she got it. Good job, Kira. All right, let me hold the top while you guys go to town on the... Wow, good job. All right, let's see what's in here. I know, it gets, sometimes they stay, sometimes they don't.
I'm good at this.
Yes, you are. Okay, open the lid. Let's see what's in this one. Powwow wild berry coneflower. Good job, we got some in there.
You have a lot of jugs to put plants in.
Oh, yes. Do I garden a lot?
Yeah.
All right, I'm opening up the scabiosa. I've never grown scabiosa. I've never winter sown it before. See what it looks like. That's pretty. Look how pretty those are. Ooh, those are looking really healthy. So I think I'm going to put a lot of these in the ground today. We're getting up to 80. It's going to drop a little bit, but hopefully we get a little bit of rain. I'll water them in. This one says coneflowers and marigolds. So even if one pops out more than the other, like this marigold, I'll still plant them together, and maybe the coneflower will come up a little bit later. Go ahead and open them. Oh, good job. Let's see what's in this one. Does I have a label? I was trying to label better this year.
Nothing on it.
Has nothing on it, but look how many it has in it.
It does.
Look how good you did.
What does the sign say?
It says blanket flower. Isn't that cool? And we don't even have to take this one out. This one gets to stay in its home for the whole time. What is this one? Little tiny seedlings. Let's read it. What does it say? It says variegated coxcomb. Oh, that's going to be exciting. They look very dry. So you guys get to help me water in a minute. Okay, let's get some more. Okay, Allie, we're just going to rip the plastic off the top. So we're just going to go like this. Ooh, we got some pretty stuff in there. Let's see what's in it. Oh, did I even label? I don't know if I labeled. Let's see what it is. Sometimes I just throw things in there and don't label. What do you guys think that is? But it worked. Oh, I did label. Look. Okay, golden amaranth and purple hyssop. So this one looks like, which one? Purple hyssop? I don't see anything on the other side yet. We'll just keep it watered. All right, try this one. Can you rip this one up? Ooh, looks like tomatoes. Yep. Kaleidoscope Jewel tomatoes. These were delicious. Those look really good. So I might keep this one covered just a few more nights. What I've learned from this experiment with different types is I really love reusing these and putting plastic over the top with holes and twine, because I can reuse every single thing I've used here. I can reuse the nursery pot. I can reuse the plastic. You do have to initially buy this plastic though. And then the twine. These I'm reusing apple cider vinegar jugs, apple jugs. This is an apple juice jugs. This one's a milk jug. This one is like some cheese puffs.
Milk jug.
Yeah, milk jug. Honestly,
Milk jug.
I bought this stupid cheese puffs for the container. So I was like, sure, Lindsay, you can have the giant, unhealthy, gross cheese puffs so that I can have a container. The things we do, right? But I still think I'm really happy with this. This is just easy, easy. So I will be doing that in the future. Thank you for helping me today. What a fun group of girls. Bye.